السلام عليكم ورحمة الله تعالى وبركاته. أتمنى أنكم جميعا بخير. أرحب بكم جميعا في هذه القناة المفيدة ترحيبا حارا. Today we'll translate the rest of the translation what we started yesterday. And before translating, my request to all the new viewers, all the newcomers to my channel, if you new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and share with your friend to get the upcoming notifications from this channel. So let's get started. You are seeing here, last day we translated up to here, and today we'll translate from here. Aqala dujarik, from here. So let's see. وقال دوجاريك كان موقف الأمين العام واضحا دائما يجب على الولايات المتحدة وروسيا استئناف التنفيذ الكامل لمعاهدة ستارة ثالث على الفور. So here the words موقف. موقف means stand. موقف means stand or position. موقف means stand or position. Al-Amin Al-Am means Secretary General, SG, what we discussed yesterday, SG, Secretary General. And Istenaf means resumption, to resumption. Tanfiz al-Kamil means complete implementation. Muahada means agreement. And Al-Fawr means immediately. So the translation will be here. وقال دوجاريك كان موقف الأمين العام واضحا دائما يجب على الولايات المتحدة وروسيا استئناف التنفيذ الكامل لمعاهدة الستارة الثالث على الفور. So here before translation, one thing is mentionable, that وقال دوجاريك said, and we'll say it Dujarik said at the end of the sentence, because in translation, in Arabic translation or in Arabic, it is written any person's name or any agency's name, organization's name are written in the beginning, like this sentence at the in the beginning, Dujarik. But in Arabic, in English translation, it is better to mention or to write it at the end of the sentence. So first we'll translate the sentence, and after that we'll mention Dujarik. كان موقف الأمين العام واضحا دائما. The stand of Secretary General was always clear. يجب على الولايات المتحدة وروسيا استئناف التنفيذ الكامل لمعاهدة ستارة الثالث على الفور. The US and Russia must resume the complete or full implementation to STAT 3 treaty immediately. Dujarik said. At the end, Dujarik said. After that, this sentence. ووفقا له فإن معاهدة ستارة الثالث والمعاهدة الثنائية اللاحقة بشأن حفظ الأسلحة النووية الاستراتيجية بين روسيا والولايات المتحدة ضمنت ليس فقط أمن هذه الدول ولكن أمن المجتمع الدولي بأسره. So the words here, المعاهدة الثنائية اللاحقة means subsequent bilateral agreements. Allahika means later, but it has another meaning, subsequent. Here you are looking that this word lahika means subsequent, and so al-mu'ahada means treaty, agreement, and thunaiya, this is very most used word, and in newspaper especially, means bilateral. So al-mu'ahadat al-thunaiya al-lahika means subsequent bilateral agreement. And khifzun khafaza yakhfizu, to reduce, to decrease. Al-aslihatu nawiyatul strategiyya. Strategiyya means strategic, nawiya means nuclear, asliha means weapons or arms. So it's mean nuclear strategic nuclear weapons. Zamina yazmanu means to guarantee, to guarantee. And amnun means security. Adwal al-mujtama dwaliyi bi asrihi means entire international society. Bi asrihi means entire, dwaliyun international, mujtama society. So the translation will be here. وفقا له فإن معاهدة سترة الثالث والمعاهدة الثنائية اللاحقة بشأن حفظ الأسلحة النووية الاستراتيجية بين روسيا والولايات المتحدة ضمنت ليس فقط أمن هذه الدول ولكن أمن المجتمع الدولي بأسره. According to him فإن معاهدة سترة الثالث والمعاهدة الثنائية اللاحقة, according to him, that START 3 treaty and the subsequent bilateral agreements on the strategic nuclear weapons reduction between Russia and the US guaranteed not only security of this country, not only securities of this country, but the security of entire international society. So here one thing is important, that bishani khifzil aslihati nawawiyyat al-strategiyya. Bishani actually we translate about, but here it is more suitable to translate on the strategic nuclear arms or weapons reduction. After that, واثنى خطابه أمام الجمعية الفيدرالية اليوم الثلاثاء أعلن الرئيس الروسي فلاديمير بوتين تعليق مشاركة روسيا في الأسلحة الهجومية الاستراتيجية سترات، مؤكدا أن بلاده لم تنسحب من المعاهدة. So here the words khitab means speech. Khitab means speech. And after that, al-Jam'iyyatul Federaliyya means federal association. Al-Jam'iyyatul Federaliyya, here the words al-Jam'iyyatul Federaliyya means federal assembly. Jam'iyya means assembly and Federaliyya federal assembly. Al-Yawma Sulasa on Monday, Al-Yawma Sulasa on Tuesday, A'lana to announce Ta'liq we discussed yesterday, suspension. Here the words Allah ka yu'alliqu ta'liq, to suspend, and its SM suspension. And musharaka participation, al-aslihatul hujumiyatul strategiyya, strategic offensive arms. Here the words al-aslihatul hujumiyya means offensive arms. And insahaba yansahibu means to withdraw, mu'ahada means treaty. So the translation will be here. وأثنى خطابه أمام الجمعية الفيدرالية اليوم الثلاثاء أعلن الرئيس الروسي فلاديمير بوتين تعليق مشاركة روسيا في الأسلحة الهجومية الاستراتيجية سترات. During his lecture in front of the Federal Assembly on Tuesday, the Russian President Vladimir Putin announced the suspension of Russia's participation in strategic offensive arms START. مؤكدا أن بلاده لم تنسحب من المعاهدة, assuring that his country did not withdraw from the treaty. So insahaba yansahib, insahab means to withdraw, withdraw, to withdraw, uh, withdraw. Insahaba yansahib, insahab means to withdraw. So after that, the last sentence here, this on وأشار إلى أنه قبل العودة إلى المناقشة يجب أن نفهم بأنفسنا ما الذي لا تزال تطالب به دول مثل فرنسا وبريطانيا، وكيف سنأخذ في الاعتبار ترنساتها الاستراتيجية، أي القدرة الضاربة المشتركة لتحالف الشمال الأطلسي. So here the words ashara, yushir, ishara means to indicate or to point out, point out, indicate or point out, point out. So or indicate. And auda, ada yaudu, audatun means to return, to go back. Tutalibu, talaba yutalibu, tutalib means to demand, demand, demand. And akhzun fil i'tibar, very important word this one, akhzun fil i'tibar. Na'khudhu fil i'tibar means to take into account. Here the words, look here, akhada or akhzun bi'ayn al-i'tibar means to take into account, to take something into account. So this is very important ta'bir. So tirsana, tirsana means here the word arsenal, arsenal. Tirsana means arsenal, and arsenal is a actually arsenal is a large collection of weapons or military equipments held by any country, group or person. So that is a military equipment, that is called arsenal, a political word, very important, we should memorize it. And al-qudra, here it is explaining what is arsenal, strategic arsenal. Al-qudratu dariba al-mushtaraka, so joining, striking ability. So tahaluf shimal atlusi, and tahaluf means alliance, shimalul atlusi means North Atlantic. It is actually NATO, that is called NATO. NATO, it is a organization, treaty organization, whose full form is North Atlantic Treaty Organization. So we will translate this sentence, long sentence. وأشار here وأشار إلى أنه قبل العودة إلى المناقشة يجب أن نفهم بأنفسنا ما الذي لا تزال تطالب به دول مثل فرنسا وبريطانيا. So here he pointed out before returning or going back to the discussion that we must understand by ourselves, or we can only say that we must understand what the countries like France and Britain are still demanding. La tazalu tutalibu bihi, are still demanding, continuous tense. Wa kayfa sana'khudhu fil i'tibar tirnasatiha al-istratijiyya ay al-qudra ad-dariba al-mushtaraka li tahaluf al-shimal al-atlasi. And how will we take their strategic arsenals into account, or into account we can mention in the beginning. How will we take into account their strategic arsenals? It means al-qudratu dariba al-mushtaraka, the joint striking ability of NATO, لتحالف الشمال الأطلسي of NATO, or North Atlantic Alliance. Actually it is written in a newspaper such a way, North Atlantic Alliance only, but this is a organization whose full form is North Atlantic Treaty Organization. So today up to here we finished this passage from first to last. So up to here, and thank you so much for watching this video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuhu.